Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Today I am before you to let you know about 5 things that you can do to get rid of negative energies that's surrounding you. So, how do you actually know that there is negativity surrounding you, or you are, surrounded by negative energies, or your place is affected by negative energy? First of all, though, there will be like a lot of arguments between people staying in the house. You will constantly have tension, headaches. You will feel like arguing a lot, or maybe fight on little things. The people staying in the house, the health is not remaining all right, or it is affecting studies of the students. So and whatever you do, you don't see that kind of success, like you are working really hard and there is no positive result to it. So at that time, you need something to cleanse your house, or maybe cleanse yourself. So right now, today, I'm going to let you know about 5 things that you can do. The first thing is you can do is use a sea salt or a Himalayan salt. Put it in the bowl and put it in the 4 corners of your house. Change the salt in 2 or 3 days. That way, whatever negative energy the salt has absorbed, you can get rid of it. Make sure you throw the salt out of your house or out of the office, wherever you have put it. Don't throw it inside the premises. Second thing you can do is you can burn the incense. You can it's called agarbatti, or maybe a dhoop. You can get Google or Loban dhoop in the market. Even online you can purchase it. So when that smoke is burned in your house or in your property or wherever you are, the negative energy is released by that smoke. The herbs and whatever ingredients is made of is very powerful to get rid of negative energy. Also, you can burn kapoor to get rid of negative energy. It's very good for breathing also. So that's the second thing. And the third thing you can do to get rid of the negative energy is burn sage. Now, sage is a herb. You get it online and you get it in a lot of stores also. So what you can do is, it's a dry herb. So you can burn that sage with your intentions for getting rid of the negative energy, and smudge the rooms, the whole house with it, or if it's office or whatever premises, you can smudge it with sage. Sage is very powerful herb to remove negativity from your home, or maybe unwanted energies. So use herbs, or use sweet grass. Dry the sweet grass and make a bundle of a sweet grass, and you can burn that sweet grass with your intentions. So that's the third thing. Fourth thing. The fourth thing that you can do is you can surround yourself with crystals. What does crystals do? There are crystals that absorb negative energy, especially the black tourmaline, onyx, and you can even put rose quartz, because that helps in making a relationship better and bringing love between each other. So that's a positive crystal too. So surround yourself with crystal, but make sure whenever you're placing crystals like black tourmaline, onyx, or wear any kind of crystals, make sure to cleanse that crystals with salt water. Also make sure, there are some crystals that cannot be washed by salt water, but black tourmaline and onyx are safe, so you can wash them with salt water every week. So whatever negative energy that crystals have absorbed, you can wash it off, and again cleanse it, smudge it, and put it back to the place where you have kept it. And the fifth thing that you can do now is make a spray, a herbal spray, like you can put basil or tulsi that everyone has in the household. You can put peppermint, that's pudina, if you have the fresh one, or you can you can put pudina or peppermint oil, essential oil, if you have. You can put sandalwood. Sandalwood powder might not be very pure form, so you can always use essential oil, sandalwood oil, and you can use frankincense oil, essential oil, to the water. Once you make this mixture of water and all this herbs and essential oil, you can spray this wherever you feel the energy to be really, really heavy. It helps a lot in releasing negative energy. Plus, it's always necessary to take a saltwater bath when you feel that heaviness around you. So make sure you even put a little bit of sea salt or Himalaya salt in the bucket of water, and take a bath with it. So whatever negative energies that you have been taking in with you, or like the whole day, you meet a lot of people, so there might be a lot of people. Sometimes you absorb negative energies of some people. So that's the best thing to do, is come home and take a saltwater bath, and it will reduce all the negative energies that you have collected on your way. So these are the things that you can do to remove negative energy from your home and from your premises. So whenever there is a negative energy, whenever, like I told you, you feel the pressure, you feel the heaviness, you will come to know, okay, you are surrounded by negative energies. So these are the 5 things that will help you, and you will surely feel the difference. So for now, this is the things that you can do. We'll come with another video to let you know for other things that you can do to remove negative energies from your life, and what you can wear to protect yourself from negative energies. So for now, saying goodbye to all of you. This is Falguni Zaveri again from Karma Healing. Do like and subscribe. We are on Facebook as well as on Instagram. So stay blessed, stay safe. Thank you.